Hi, this is Leah over at Williams Honda, and today we're going to go over a couple of the features that are standard on the 2026 Honda HR-V Sport all-wheel drive. First, we have remote start. If your key's in your pocket and it's raining and you don't want to fish for it, you do have keyless access. Just grab the door handle and it'll open right up. New for the 2026s, they are wireless Android Auto and wireless Carplay, and you also have a wireless phone charger. The Sport trim also has heated seats. We have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, as well as blind spot, and collision mitigation. Since it is a push start, it is nice to have this extra storage here for either your key or your phone or whatever else you like to carry with you. For your drive modes, you do have a couple of options. In your dash, you have normal, econ, and snow mode, and in your shifter, you have sport. One thing that does set apart the sport model is that you'll have orange stitching throughout your seats as well as your steering wheel. And if you're anything like me, you'll love this feature. The HR-V Sport does have walk-away auto lock, meaning if you put your key in your pocket and you walk a few feet away, it will automatically lock and you don't have to worry about if you locked your car or not. You also have lots of cargo space, and if you put your seats down, they do go down flat, allowing even more space. If you're looking for a new 2026 HR-V, come see us down at Williams Honda.